Hello everyone, this is the first chapter of Nmap for Professionals, and the first chapter is Introduction to Nmap. So let's start with the Nmap today. And I know you all must be having a basic knowledge about the Nmap, still we are going with the Introduction to Nmap. The reason is Nmap is a very important tool for anyone who are trying to enter into this field of cybersecurity, either through the ethical hacking portion, bug bounty or pen testing. You want to go with network pen testing, web pen testing, this is an actual thing you need to learn. So, Nmap is actually known as network mapper and it is a security scanner. Okay, so what do you do with the Nmap? We find out hosts and the services related to it using Nmap. There are some scripts even that help you to crack different attacks using Nmap only. And so we go with the Nmap. And uh, to be very honest, this is a pioneer tool for the one who are entering to this field, and it has a vast scope. So, learning Nmap is an important thing to one who are entering into the field of cybersecurity. Let's start Nmap first with the Kali Linux. So, we have two ways to start the Nmap. If your terminal is, if you are using Kali, then that's fine. We will script using the Kali. If you are not using Kali and there is a Windows version even. So today we will see both the version and how they work and the introductory session. Okay. When it comes to the Kali, you need to write down each and every script to it. While it goes quite easier when you're going or moving with the Windows version. So let's start with the Kali. Okay. So you need to be in the administrative mode. So sudo su. Now you have to enter your password of Kali. Now you get the terminal started. You start with the Nmap. And initially we'll see how it can help us. So we can see each and every syntax we can use for our purpose, right? So let's see. So this is how you get all the acronyms you want to start your Nmap with different uh, scripts, okay, to get the different services, right, as per your need of the service. So this is how it works. You can see there are different specification. One is target specific, host discovery, scan techniques, right? Then you see port specification, services, script, scan, OS detection, timing, firewall, output. Okay. Other examples are also present. So you go with that. So let's try out a small scan. Okay, the basic scan using Nmap. So Nmap SV hyphen PN, and then I'll scan PDPU's network. It might take some time, okay, to scan, but it will scan eventually. See, it has been started. This might be time consuming. Okay, so every tool you use in cybersecurity, keep a notion that what you see in movies and in some online videos, that's not true. Okay, cybersecurity is all about giving time, and everything in this field, either you go with hacking or anything, that is time consuming. Coming up with the hacking, we are having the next course we are launching is learn 7 attacks, okay, in 7 days. So we'll be showing you 7 different attacks, how you can perform them, easily in 7 days. Okay, so that's what we are coming up with next. So once you are done with this course, you can go with that even, and yeah, they're pretty nice. So one more thing I wanted to share is this branch only is the one that allows people belonging to non-technical field make career into this. If I'm not into this technical field even, I can make my career into this. So this is a very unique and a growing branch in cybersecurity. By the time this is getting scanned, let's have a look to the Nmap version of the Windows. Okay, so let's see Zanmap. Okay, so we go to the Zanmap. Now you see Zanmap is actually a very good tool created for the Windows version, and it is quite easier than the version you are using in the Kali. So in Kali you have to go with the scripts. You can write the commands over here even. Okay, whatever command you're writing in the Kali to get the host details and everything, you can do that over here too. But it's very easy if you want to go with the all the scan processes. There are multiple scanning options given to you in Windows version of the tool, which is intense scan plus UDP, intense scan all TCP port, intense scan no ping, quick scan plus, quick trace route, regular scan, slow comprehensive scan. So you see there's a list of scans you can go with. Let us learn one of them, which is quick scan, and put our target over here. So easily we can put our target is www dot. So I'll go with again pdpu dot ac dot in. Okay, we'll go with the quick scan and then we'll move with scan. Okay, so I have started my Nmap, or you can say Zanmap, not in a administrative mode. But if you want all the things to be done, then it will you should start it with an administrative mode. Okay, let us have a look to our Kali. By that time I'll show you the Zanmap is administrative mode too. So now you see the Zanmap in an administrative mode. I was just showing you the introduction, so I didn't want that. But let's go quick scan, and then we'll go with www dot. Let's start with the scan. Okay, So what PDP is doing is it's not allowing the scan. Let's go with the another side. Now you see multiple ports are open of this site. This was one of my students' college site only, which he has given for scanning purpose. You see, you get all the list of the ports open, closed, and working on it. So this is how it works. You can see the host from here. Whatever you're working with, all the host services present and the services. So host and services both are there. You can use multiple hosts over here while you are working with it. Okay. Moving further, let's go back to our Kali. So we have seen that again the PDP is hindering the scan over here. Let's go with some different. Okay, let's go with Google. Now, I guess you have some question of why I have used hyphen SV and hyphen PN. So what PN implies is that we do not check whether the host is up or not. Okay, see you get the details over here and every details are present. With the URL it's present right now, the services that are on or off. So with PN we don't check whether it is up or not. Okay, whether the host is still up or not. Okay, while performing the ping. And the SV parameter is to list all the running services on it. Okay, so that is why we have used this for the basic scan. So now you see, you get all the details about it. Okay, next services fingerprint and all the services fingerprint are present. You can see that, right? You can do the same thing with the with some IP address even. So for example, we are moving further with the IP address like 192 168 192 168 11. Okay. Well, here it is little bit time consuming. It's not that fast as Nmap. I agree. But if you into the scripting then you'll like Nmap, which is in the Kali version, okay, rather than going with the Zenmap. Both are equal, so it doesn't matter as much still. By that time, just let me know what you understand in this thing, okay? So you see different ports that are open. This is port 80 TCP, okay, where it is, okay. Then comes port 443. Obviously, we are scanning Google, only two ports are open, just 80 and 443. And this is what both the services are giving you. Okay, so this is the scan. Okay, so we can see the scan result right now. Okay, there are services described, and you see that the service detection performed. Please report any incorrect results are done. Okay, so this is how it is done. The host is up and it has been filtered. You can't see anything present right now on this particular host. Okay, IP address. So this is all for the introduction of Nmap. And this is how Nmap works. We'll come forward with different Nmap chapters. So please move to the next chapter for learning further into the Nmap. Thank you everyone.